Hey folks, welcome to Hayden Be Grilling. Now tonight, or this afternoon, we're gonna start some beef tips. Very good, very easy. So let's get started. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a greased 9x13 baking dish. We're gonna add about 2 pounds worth of stew meat into the dish. Now that we have our stew meat in here, we're gonna come over with 1 can of cream of mushroom. And then we're gonna fill that can with water and pour this water in here. Next, we're gonna add 1 packet of brown gravy, followed by 1 packet of the Lipton beefy onion soup mix. Now that we have those ingredients in here, I just kind of want to stir this around, kind of mix it in together. Next, we're gonna cover this with aluminum foil. We're gonna bake it at 300 degrees for 3 hours. All right, folks, so it has been 3 hours of the house smelling amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look, see how this, ooh, they look amazing. So we're gonna start this off served over a bed of rice, and then we're gonna come in and get some of those pork tips. Just gonna pour gravy and all right over the top of that rice. Let's go and get that all important taste test. And we got some of the beef and some rice there, along with that good old gravy. There we go. Now folks, that is a dang good meal right there. The beef tips, they're so tender. They sit in there in that oven. Now this is a longer cook, perfect for the Sunday after church or any afternoon that you got plenty of time. Like I said, we let it cook for 3 hours, but it broke those beef tips down to where they're so tender. And then you got the rice and then that gravy that it made with it. This is so good. So y'all please give us one a try. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.